Citigroup versus Harley Bank, which is better. In this video, I'm gonna compare the two banks together to see which one is best for you and which one is best for your banking system. Citigroup and Harley Banks are both well-regarded financial institutions, but they cater to different needs and offer distinct services. And here is a comparison to help you decide which might be better for you in the future or now. Now, talking about Citigroup, on the other hand, Citigroup provides a global financial services corporation known as for its extensive range of financial products and services, and they also offer a wide array of services including retail banking, investment banking, wealth management, and credit card. And the more focus on their clients is to provide individual services and also to provide individual corporation, also for the government and for institutional worldwide. And they have a strong global presence. Also, they have a strong, diverse financial product. They also have a strong, diverse, extensive resources. Now, talking about Harley Bank, on the other hand, Harley Bank is an online bank known for its high yield saving account and competitive interest rate. Now, they provide a variety of banking services including savings accounts, check account, and also provide a CDS and auto loans. And they are more focused on their clients is on individual looking for online banking solution with high rate and low fee. And they also have a high level of strength within their community, which will give them a high interest rate on savings accounts, and also it gives them a no minimum deposit and also no service fee for most banking products. Ultimately, the choice between the Citigroup and Harley Bank depends on your specific financial needs and goal. If you're looking for a global bank with a wide range of financial products, Citigroup might be the best choice. On the other hand, if you prefer an online banking with high interest rates and low fee, Harley Bank could be more suitable for you. So, what are you looking for in a financial institution? And that's it. If you find this video, turn on the notification button and follow.